This question comes from the New York State testing sampler number 3. It's question number 1, and it's about linear equations and slope. So what they do is they give you 3 different kids running a, looks like 100-yard race. Okay, and notice that Bella, let's go ahead and make Bella in red. Bella looks like it's the steepest. That means as time goes on, her distance increases fastest, so she's the fastest one. That would mean she has the biggest slope. So I'm just going to put a note, Bella fastest, because it's the steepest, and that means largest slope. Then I'm going to put Kofi as second fastest. So Kofi's in the middle, so Kofi faster than Ella, or than Elsie, because her slope is a little bit taller, a little steeper, but she is slower than Bella. And then our last one would be Elsie. Elsie looks like she's the slowest, so Elsie has the flattest slope. It means as time goes on, her distance, she doesn't get there quite as fast. So Elsie is the slowest. So she's slower than both Bella and Kofi. Now let's use that as an information to start, because slope we know is our rate of change. It's our change in y over change in x, and the larger it is, the faster the girl will be, or the student will be in this situation. So the larger it is, the faster. So we know that the fastest is Bella, and then it's a double L, and then our middle person is Kofi. So we'll say Kofi is in the middle. And then we know our slowest person is Elsie. Okay, so our fastest person is Bella, so she should have the biggest number slope. And our slowest person is Elsie, so she should have the smallest. So here, for choice number 1, I notice that Bella is 15.15 and Elsie is bigger. So this cannot be correct. The second one, I know that Bella is bigger than Elsie, so I'll keep that as a possibility. The third one, I can see that Bella is bigger at 15.45 than Elsie. And the fourth one, I also see that is bigger. Okay, so now I have to look a little bit more cautiously now, because they are all relating Bella and Elsie, and we are all seeing that it is, Bella is bigger than Elsie. So this is where you have to go back and close read. And if I go up and close read, I'm just going to underline this for Kofi. Kofi is this one, 15.55. So if you don't close read, you might sit there and think, well, they have not given me enough information. So 15.55, we know that Bella has to be bigger than Kofi's slope, 15.55. So I'm going to look and I'm going to see if I can rule out anything here. So 15.55, Bella needs to be larger than that. And I can see that in choice C, Bella is not larger. So I need to rule that out. Now I still have 2 possibilities. So I know that Elsie has to be smaller than 15.55. She is the slowest. So I'm going to say, well, look at choice B, and I will see that Elsie was 15.65. That's larger. So it cannot be choice B. So my only possibility here is choice D. It ranks them in the order that makes the sense based on the steepness of the graph.